deleting an Instagram account isn't as easy as it seems. You can't delete your account from the Instagram app, so you'll need to log into Instagram from a web browser on a desktop or mobile device. You're going to start by typing the following web address into the browser. That's instagram.com/accounts/login/?next =sign/accounts/remove/request/permanent/. Next, you're going to enter your login information. And log in. You'll then land on the Delete Your Account page. Then you'll select your reason for deleting your account in the drop-down menu. Once you've selected an option, you'll be prompted to re-enter your password to confirm that you want to delete your Instagram account permanently. After you've selected a reason and entered your password, the option to permanently delete your account will appear. Click Permanently Delete My Account, and your account, along with all of your content and followers, will be disabled for good moving forward. Keep in mind that once you've deleted your account, you can't sign up with that same username if you decide to create another Instagram account later on. Instagram also can't reactivate deleted accounts. I hope this tutorial helped you all. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.